Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and my today's topic is from SST in history, Indus Valley Civilization. And my today's topic is Indus Valley Civilization, the source of information, the important sites of the Harappan civilization. Civilization can be explained as that stage of man development when he started looking beyond the simple satisfaction on his basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. The earlier civilization all over the world began in the river valleys or on the bank of the river. It was because the availability of fresh water and fertile soil around the river provided them conditions for growing crop and places for hunting fish or food. Apart from this, it was also easy to make the house with brick made by clay soil found on the river bank. Transportation was also easy through the waterway to transport goods and maintain trade relations. The climate of these rivers valley was generally moderate and the region which are rich in copper, tin or zinc ores. The four famous civilizations of the ancient period were Indus Valley or Harappan civilization in India. Second, Tigris Euphrates civilization in Mesopotamia. Third, Nile Valley civilization in Egypt. Fourth, Hong Ho civilization in China. Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. I am going to discuss with you on this topic. The Harappan civilization was the earliest urban civilization of India. It was great civilization which covered a larger area. It was triangular in shape. It is triangular in shape. No other civilization of ancient time had such extensive area. This civilization flourished over a large area of India and Pakistan along with the river Indus and its tributaries. The valley had warm and moist climate. The soil was fertile and suitable for cultivation. Timber was available in plenty which could be used for construction and fuel. All these factors attract these ancient people to settle here. Dear children, our next topic is the source of information. The source of information. Most of our knowledge about the Harappan civilization is based on the excavation carried out on the various sites of the Indus Valley. We have no written source of literature of this period till date. The ruins of ancient cities, buildings, pottery, the ruins of ancient cities, building, pottery, weapons and tools, ornaments, seals, weight and measure achieved in excavation are the main archaeological evidences of this civilization. Since 1921, more than 250 sites have been discovered at Ropar, Punjab, Dholvira, Lothal and Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kot, Dehezi, Amiri and Pakistan. These all are the sites where all the source of information are got. It is estimated these cities came into being about 4500 BC and reached their peak about 2600 BC. The civilization flourished over a period of 1000 years, then it started to decline by about 1900 BC. The important sites of the Harappan civilizations are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibagan, Dholvira, Bhawanavali. These all are the sites of civilization, Harappan civilization. Dear children, the rest of your lesson I will discuss in our next video. Dear children, that is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.